Today we are diving into a brand that hasn't gone viral on TikTok, hasn't been splashed all over Instagram, and yet might be exactly what your sensitive skin has been waiting for. Welcome to my review of Flaskin, sister brand of Numbuzin, and in my opinion, one of the most underrated K-beauty brands. They didn't come up with loud marketing campaigns or influencer PR drama. Instead, they quietly focused on what actually matters. Thoughtful formulations designed to support and repair your skin barrier. Personally, I don't care if a brand goes viral or not, I just want the product to work for my skin. If you're like me, you'd want to know more about this brand. I hope you'll stay till the end. Let's get the quiz started. Let's start with the name. Flaskin is a blend of flask, symbolizing research and experimentation, and skin because that's what it's all about. Now, before I dive deeper into the ingredients and product formulations of this brand, a necessary disclaimer. I have received the Flaskin Essential Protein Discovery Set from Numbuzin as a PR, but this video by no means sponsored. And everything I'm going to share in this video about Flaskin products are my own opinion from my own experience. That being said, the Flaskin Essential Protein Discovery Set includes soybean bouncy protein essence, oatmeal barrier protein cream, rice enzyme protein toner, and soy milk relief protein lotion. So let's break down each one, what it feels like, what's inside, and who it's best for. So let's start with the one I was most excited about, the soybean bouncy protein essence. This essence has a stringy, almost stretchy consistency, very similar to the Mixun bean essence, but slightly thinner. It feels super lightweight going on the skin and absorbs beautifully. It's got hydrolyzed soy protein to boost skin elasticity and plumpness, bifida ferment lysate, and streptococcus thermophilus ferment, probiotics for barrier support. It's also got panthenol, allantoin, and beta-glucan for soothing and hydration. Oh, and also tocopherol, adenosine for antioxidants and wrinkle care. There's no fragrance, no tackiness, and honestly, it gave my skin a healthy bounce. This is a great option for those who are recovering from irritation or looking for something soothing or calming under a richer cream. Next is oatmeal barrier protein cream. This cream has got oat protein and soy milk extract to calm and comfort itchy or inflamed skin, shea butter and macadamia seed oil to lock in hydration, hydrolyzed soy protein to restore elasticity. Now, this has a noticeable silicone-like smell, not artificial fragrance, it's just the base product smell. It's dense, fragrance-free, and incredibly occlusive. For oily skin in summer, probably too much. But if your skin is damaged, dry, or exposed to harsh weather, this one will be a godsend, I believe. Next up is rice enzyme protein toner. Honestly, this was the biggest surprise for me. It has a milky, creamy texture that reminds me of cream essence hybrids. When I applied it, I immediately felt how hydrating and softening it was. Definitely on a sticky side, which is amazing if you wear makeup because it helps to grip your base products. It's got hydrolyzed rice protein to tighten and hydrate, niacinamide for brightening and soothing, papain, bromelain, and mannitol to gently exfoliate your skin without acids, centella, oat, and fig extracts for calming, beta-glucan, and ceramide NP for barrier support. No fragrance, no alcohol, just skin-loving, gentle hydration. It does feel a bit sticky after application, which I don't mind, which I actually love because it gives me the feeling that my skin is moisturized, as I'm not a very big fan of watery toners that get sucked up by the skin and the skin feels dry afterwards. So I'd say it's a solid toner for dry, dehydrated, or combination skin. Last but not the least, we have the lotion, and I really loved this one. The packaging is sleek, the pump is high quality, and the texture is also amazing. It's lightweight, silky, and quick absorbing. It leaves a dewy finish without any greasiness, and it layers perfectly under SPF or makeup. It's got soy milk extract, oat protein to soothe and reduce redness, niacinamide to brighten, panthenol hydrolyzed soy protein to nourish and reinforce the barrier. It gives you that fresh, hydrated glow without feeling like a film over your face. I see this working beautifully for oily dehydrated or combo skin types, especially in humid climates. From my experience with this particular line, I feel like this line of Flaskin is designed for sensitive skin. It's ideal for people who have over-exfoliated and need to repair their barrier, anyone looking for non-irritating, non-sensational skincare, skin that reacts easily to fragrance, alcohol, or heavy botanicals, and if you're someone who appreciates minimalist, ingredient-focused skincare without distractions. Flaskin has honestly been a great discovery for me. Flaskin didn't launch with a bang. Maybe that's a good thing because what they've delivered is quite simple excellence, products that work with your skin. If you're curious, I highly recommend starting with soy milk lotion or rice toner. And if you're dry or irritated, this oat milk cream will be your bestie. Let me know if you've tried Flaskin or you're planning to. I'll be doing a 8-week follow-up to share long-term results with you all. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Sarah Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.